Hello my friends, my name is Scott and welcome to another review video. This is just your regular blanket. We don't need that anymore, oh my word. This is 2024 my friends. It's time for the heated blankets to come out. So today we are reviewing this heated blanket and it comes with a manual, some accessories and all that fun stuff. Comes with your standard 2-prong power adapter, also extension cable for that. It comes with a power bank as well. We can open it up quick. So, pretty heavy duty power bank. It looks like it's 20,000 mAh. It's got a display on here. You can charge your cell phones and all that fun stuff most people know. Most people know about power banks already, so let's continue. I'm guessing this is a carrying bag or storage bag, which this will be the first time I've reviewed a heated blanket that they included a storage / carrying bag. So yeah, that's pretty nice. I like that. It's great if you want to take this for camping. So this is the heated blanket itself. Be careful when opening, you don't want to cut it. Okay, so this is it. First off, we have a power button right here, and we have a zipper. If we open that zipper up, we can find the cable here. Now, what's really nice about this one is if you want to use it with a power bank, you can use it with the power bank. You just simply plug it in like this. Once you have it plugged in the whole way, you can then go ahead and put this power bank in once you turn it on. Or you can have it connected to your standard outlet, which is really nice. So, to turn it on, we're going to press and hold the power button here. And now we're going to press and hold this button. And now, you can see it light up red. We know red is going to be on high. So let's go ahead and put this back in its little pouch. Out of sight, out of mind. Okay, so now, hopefully you guys can see it's red. If you press again, it's like an orangish pink, maybe salmon color, and then you got white. And then you got red, pinkish orange, and white. White's gonna be your lowest setting. Let's put it on high. So inside you have like this thermal layer. And on the outside, it's more fuzzy. Now, I don't know if you can see this or not, but it is a pretty big cover. I mean, I can keep my feet sprawled out. You probably can't see my feet, but I can have my feet sprawled out and still have me covered up. And there's still a lot of room on the sides here for a second person. It depends on how you put this. Now, some people will cover up with the fuzzy side facing inward. I personally, this keeps the heat in when you have it laid like this. So I personally like to have it with the soft, or not the soft, but the smooth side down. And I can actually start feeling it already. So I can feel the heat. Since it's just me right now, we can tuck this in. And you know, what's nice about heated blankets is obviously if you go camping or off-grid or doing something, you stay warm longer. But what's nice about having it in your home is you can turn down your thermostat and save some money and actually just simply use a heated blanket. And what's nice about it having a power bank is if you have solar panels, by the way, to turn it off, you just press and hold the button. And I recommend disconnecting the cable when you're done using it. It should have an auto off feature, but just in case, I recommend simply pulling this out. But what's nice about power banks is a lot of them are compatible with solar panels and other power banks. So what you could do is you could connect a power bank, a solar panel to this, if it connects with the Type-C port or find the port. Or if you don't have that, what you can do is you can get another solar power bank, connect it with this, and you could run like 10 power banks and hook this up so they all draw from each other, and you have, you know, it can last all night long and whenever. So that's a big thing for me that I love about this. It did heat up. It's actually heated up really well. That's why you can kind of see I have it lifted up, because it is a little toasty in here. It heats up really well, so I'm very happy with this. And to turn this off, you just press and hold, and the green light will go off that's on here. So overall, guys, it's a nice heated blanket.